Welcome to MeeLearn Chinese. Let's learn numbers. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 10 10 Review 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 6 6 7 8 8 9 10 Now it's time for a culture tip. Do you know that the number 4, which is pronounced as 4, is considered as an unlucky number in Chinese culture because its pronunciation is very similar to the word 死, which means to die or death. Most people will avoid using this number as their ending phone number or ending license plate number. Number 6, which is pronounced as 6, is a lucky number because it sounds like the word 流, which means to flow. This word flow in Chinese culture indicates a smooth process or a smooth journey to success. The number 8, which is pronounced as a 8, is a very lucky number because it sounds like the word 发, which means to get rich. There are people who are willing to spend tons of money buying phone numbers or license plates which end with a string of 6 or 8 because they believe it will bring them good luck. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!